welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be showing you guys some quick and easy ponytails y'all can do with your DIY drawstring ponytail that I showed you guys how to do in one of my previous videos. If you haven't seen that already, what are you doing? Like, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the description bar for you guys to check it out. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're interested in the looks, just keep on watching. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out my braids. This is pretty much how I've been wearing my hair ever since I blow dried it, just because nobody got time to be messing with their hair every day. But for the first ponytail, I'm gonna go ahead and do your basic slick back side part ponytail. Now for this next ponytail, this is actually a look that I saw on the latest episode of Grownish. And I just thought it was so freaking cute. So I'm taking the back half of my hair and I'm going to go ahead and put it in a ponytail. Then with the front, I'm going to do pretty much 3 sections and I'm going to put 2 braids going along the sides. And then I'm just going to brush that middle section straight back, go ahead and do my bun and slap on my drawstring ponytail. Now this next one is a look that I've been seeing all over Instagram. I basically put the rest of my hair in a ponytail, and with this front little piece, I'm gonna go ahead and do like squares with rubber bands. And I'm just gonna go ahead and twist the ones that are already done into the next section. Of course, I went ahead and added my little gold beads to it, and it's just so freaking cute. Like, I literally love this style so much. And this last one is also pretty simple. I'm sectioning off the front of my hair into 4 sections, and I'm just gonna do twists going straight back. Now this ponytail does sit a little higher on my head. I just thought it looked better this way. And you can also go ahead and throw the ponytail into a bun if you're trying to do like a top knot look. So really, instead of 4 ponytails, this is like 8 different looks if y'all put it into a bun. I'm just saying. So yeah guys, that's it. Some quick and easy ponytails. I'm telling y'all, all these looks probably took 10 minutes to throw together. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Of course, like I said at the beginning, if you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay around and watch another one because I have a ton of videos on my channel. And I'm putting this one on the screen for you guys because, you know, I just want to make life easier for you. So